Hi, welcome to the 11th episode of the Logophile Lounge. In this episode, we will discuss the difference between content writing and content marketing. I am Saket, the founder of ECT, and the Logophile Lounge is a weekly video series dedicated to content writing. In this series, we answer all your questions related to improving and monetizing your writing skills. Send your questions on the number and email ID mentioned below and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all the answers. Let us discuss the difference between content writing and content marketing.
The key difference lies in the term marketing. The moment we hear marketing, we know that it is all about promoting a business. In content writing, you write a piece of content and publish it, and you are done. Whereas in content marketing, you write a piece of content, publish it, and then promote it to a specific audience to attract more customers. So at the end of the day, in content marketing, we do content marketing to attract potential customers. It is clear that content writing is a small subset of entire content marketing process. In fact, only 20% of your time you spend in writing and remaining 80% you spend in content marketing. If we compare content writing and content marketing in terms of purpose, then in content writing, you write a piece of content to either inform, express, entertain, or persuade your readers. Whereas in case of content marketing, your sole objective is to attract more customers. Now let us discuss a typical content writing process. In the first step, we analyze pain points of your potential customer, and then in the second step, you craft content to address the pain points, and then you publish the content. In the third step, you optimize content for search engines and do certain SEO activities so that you can attract more visitors from search engines. In the fourth step, you promote your content on social media. The next step is to persuade your readers or all the visitors who is reading your content to subscribe to your newsletter or webinars, right? And then the sixth and final step is to run effective email marketing campaigns to turn your subscribers into your customers. You can see that the first two steps involve purely a writing activity, whereas the remaining four requires understanding of excellent copywriting plus digital marketing tools. Also, content marketing is a time-consuming process, and if you do everything manually, you may not get enough customers to sustain your business. And therefore, you have to use marketing automation tools to scale your efforts and achieve better return on investments. And therefore, you will find a lot of content marketers using content marketing tools or marketing automation tools to scale their efforts. Now let us compare the key performance indicators of content writers and content marketers. You can see for content writers, things that matter is number of words, pages, articles, errors in the content, plagiarism, the style of writing, and whether the final content is approved by your boss or the client or not. For content marketers, things are a bit different. In fact, things are entirely different. The performance is measured in terms of the number of sales or the leads that you've generated, email subscribers, again website traffic such as page views, visitors, unique visitors, etc., engagement metrics like likes, comments and shares, and search engine performance of your website or a blog, how well your content is ranking on the search engines.
In fact, this video is also an example of content marketing. And as you can see, you need to understand, you need to have a sound knowledge of search engine optimization, social media marketing, lead generation, and email marketing tools in addition to excellent writing skills to become content marketers. And that is where a lot of businesses hire writers who have decent understanding of content marketing so that they can take care of entire content marketing cycle. Otherwise, there is no point of writing an article or a business blog if nobody is reading that. You need to promote that blog to gain more readership and then turn those readership into subscribers and then finally those subscribers into customers. Alright, so that is why the need for content marketers, the demand for content marketers are increasing day by day. Unfortunately, there are not enough or skilled content marketers in the market. In fact, 98% of the content on the internet is never read by anyone. And one of the major reasons for that is not many writers know content marketing. And this is exactly where ECT comes into the picture. At ECT, we help you become a skilled writer as well as a skilled content marketer. So our content writing course is designed to help you improve and transform your writing style, and at the same time learning digital marketing tools that will help you shine in content marketing. ECT is recognized by the Government of India, and we offer courses in content writing, digital marketing, communication skills, and personality development. Do visit our website to know more about us. Hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest update. Thank you very much for watching this video.